Hello there and welcome to Inkquiring Minds. My name is Doug and I'm back with a video of our recent Pelikan HUB 2023 in Calgary, Alberta, Canada. Last Friday, September 22nd, in 226 locations around the world, Pelikan fans gathered for the 8th Pelikan HUB get-together. Last year, over 6,000 people attended hubs in 220 locations. Before I show you some video that I shot at our hub here in Calgary, I want to talk about a couple of things Pelikan related. You may or may not know that the Pelikan group of companies has recently been sold to the Hamelin Group. Pelikan fountain pen fans are rightly concerned by what this means for the company and their wonderful products. The Hamelin Group has stated that they are eager to support the fine work of Pelikan and Pelikan Fine Writing, but I wanted to go one step further and ask everyone watching this video to write me at inkquiringminds@gmail.com if you're interested in attaching your name to my petition, which I will deliver to Jana Jegella, one of the founders of the Pelikan HUB gatherings. I wanted to collectively thank Jana personally, as one of the founders of the Pelikan HUBs, for being one of its organizing and driving forces each year, and ask her to pass on our desire that Pelikan continue to create such amazing writing instruments, inks, and works of art. We Pelikan fountain pen and ink fans may be a smaller group than your other product groups, but we are loyal, connected, dedicated to fountain pen culture, and very vocal. So please join my petition to support both Pelikan and Jana Jegella and her small team of people who work hard every year for Pelikan fans around the world. Here is Jana talking about Pelikan hubs while she was being interviewed by Joost Appelbaum and myself on Appelbaum Bites last summer.
Really excited about this increasing numbers of participants, really. I always love to tell the story that when the first idea came up in 2014, we just showed it president that's internally, and everybody was saying, "Oh, I'm not sure. Do you think that there are really people coming to this kind of event? Okay, we can do it once and let's see what happens." So that was the start of this story. And yeah, it's growing and growing. What's really amazing. On the other hand, it's really tough to handle, to be honest, because we're a real small team, and the number of participants is growing, but not our team. So that's really challenging. But we are really happy that there are so many fans out there who are willing to support us. That's really great, really great. And last year we had 220 hubs, and this year we have 226.
Wow.
Different cities
That's
all
awesome.
over the world. Yeah, that's really amazing. People are asking right after the hub, when is the next hub coming up? So, yeah, who would have thought that it's develops like that?
No, but And let's take a look at some of the scenes from the Calgary 2023 Pelikan HUB right now. I wanted to identify and thank some of the people responsible for the fantastic evening we had on Friday night. The event was held at Calgary's RKR Stationery through the store owner's generosity. Rob and Rosanne Keast are RKR Stationery and not only provided the space, but the food and drink as well as door prizes and 10% off purchases. Thanks so much, Rob and Rosanna, for hosting us. I'll put a link to their shop in the description. They are the only Pelikan fountain pen dealer in Calgary, but they also carry a number of other brands of fine writing instruments, including Diplomat, Lamy, Faber-Castell, Visconti, and Platinum pens, a nice selection of Lamy, Pelikan, Ferris wheel press, and private reserve inks, among others, and G. Lalo, Rhodia, and my favorite, Clairefontaine paper products. And the evening wouldn't have happened at all without the hard work and dedication of our Calgary Pen Club Grand Imperial Poobah, Murray, who also emceed the event. Thanks, Murray. Of course, thanks to Pelikan and Jana Jegella and her team for coordinating the worldwide event and also giving us all free swag. Here's my bottle of the 2023 Pelikan Edelstein Ink of the Year, Rose Quartz, and the lovely pad of smooth Pelikan paper. I'm going to use this ink in my Pen BBS 480 in this lovely acrylic koi fish finish called Tiny Happiness. for my review this coming Saturday. So make sure you stay tuned to see that review. And make sure you get your emails to me by this coming Saturday morning, September 30th, to be included in my email petition to Jana at Pelikan with our thanks and support. And without further ado, here are some excerpts from the 2023 Calgary Pelikan HUB.
Yeah, absolutely. Flag to sign.
Capital markets, United States. Much beloved by single time.
Remember and like
It's only slightly different from my Estie. This has more glitter. I like the warmer tone. Yeah, I like the warmer tone. They're both pretty, but this is the same as this one. They're so different. This has all the green, this is all the blue. I can clean it up later.
Yeah, but it needs a good feed.
And I've come with no Kleenexes. Sorry.
So that one's right here. That's two now.
The same as I brought last year. I only use copy.
Thank you. I was going to have to ask.
This one I got.
We've been hosted by Rosanne and her husband Rob over there in the corner. Very generous in providing this. They provided the wine, some of the sandwiches, and other goodies. So thank you very much.
Well, you're more than welcome. I hope everyone's having a great time.
And
spend lots of money.
Anyway, we thought we'd do the draws, and
Feet that says Valerie?
Fill it up. Thank you.
Lovely.
With paper.
Yeah.
this is the 8th Pelikan HUB, but you're taking part in a festivity, a party that goes all the way around the world, which I think is a pretty wonderful and neat concept. So as each time zone hits 6:30, the cities in that, or the Pelikan HUBs in that time zone, start to celebrate Pelikan pens and pendom in general. You don't have to have a Pelikan pen to be here, but you know, we're here to celebrate them, and everyone will share the ones they got. So the idea is that it goes chunk, and you can actually go to the website and look at the videos. We need someone to load the video.
Bob's doing it, he's doing it. We got lots of videos happening here.
You win. So the idea, though, is that tradition is celebrated and gathering of people that collect pens, because everyone says, well, who uses fountain pens? Well, look around.
Hands up who used fountain pens.
I'd say we have unanimity here, so yeah. They're a tradition that goes back, I think the first quality fountain pens were just at the end of the 1800s. But the idea is that we just gather around, and the Pelikan has generously provided us with goodies. They provided us with the color of the year, which is rose quartz. They provided us with a little pad, which my beautiful assistant's going to hand to me, and a postcard.
Come on, Dana.
We're going to have to get a new top. So anyway, this is a little pad and the postcard. Pelikan is in the process of being sold, or has been sold. The new owners have laid out a commitment for the next 3 years to make pens, and so it looks like a good corporate plan. So this is probably not the last Pelikan HUB, but you know, you should always party like there's no tomorrow, because sometimes there isn't. But anyway, so thank you very much for coming. It's been a joy, and just enjoy. There's food in the back. Washrooms are right there, and we've got a pen testing station where you can check out the inks. And they're just a lot of fun. You can see the various Pelikan inks over the years, ink of the year and such, have been quite exciting. So thank you very much. Please enjoy, and please mix around with each other, and enjoy the evening. Thank you.
I don't want to hijack your ceremony, but I did because I'm putting this on my YouTube channel on Wednesday. That we're going to put all your faces on here. Hi, everyone.
Why Wednesday? Why not
What?
tomorrow?
I have a schedule. But I did want to ask everyone here if you'd be interested in sending Pelikan a note. I had the good fortune to interview Jana Jegella of Pelikan, senior executive with Pelikan in Germany, on Joost Appelbaum's YouTube channel during the summertime, and she was marvelous. She was the originator, the idea of the Pelikan Hub, and she organizes all this every year, and it's a lot of work for her and everything. I'd like to send her our love and thanks and our encouragement for Pelikan to continue to be Pelikan and not something else. We understand that fountain pens are a very small part of their market, but we're a very fervent part. Yeah, very community-minded bunch. So if you'd like to send me your name and your email address to inkquiringminds, that's I-N-K, quiringminds @gmail.com, and I'm going to ask my YouTube audience to do the same. I'm going to send an email to Jana with everybody's names and our best wishes for Pelikan to continue to do this kind of thing in the future. So I appreciate that. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
And thank you, Jana. Thank you, Jana.
I made this.